Federal High Court for Abuja don fix May 8 to give ruling on whether to admit one judgment from the FCT High Court for case with suit number FCT/HC/CV/2574/2023 between Mr. Ali Bello and the Incorporated Trustees of American International School, Abuja. Our Abuja Tori person Omone Momo talk say the judgment wey concern school fee payment or refund na the main matter wey former Kogi State Governor Alhaji Yahaya Bello dey use defend himself for the money laundering case wey dem dey try am for. For the court session, Joseph Dauda SAN, wey dey represent the former Kogi State Governor Alhaji Yahaya Bello, try submit the judgment plus receipt for the school fee payment, where im talk say as long as e get relevance under section 4, 5 and 6 of the Evidence Act, dem suppose accept am automatically. But the EFCC lead counsel Kemi Pihenro SAN come object, say the prosecution never close their case and come use section 232 of the Evidence Act take block the document from entry during cross-examination. Earlier for the court session, dem call witness Nicholas Ohehomo make e identify some exhibits wey be exhibit 13P1, one telex from bank wey Ali Bello send go the school through email, exhibit 13P2 to 13P4, document wey show say Forza Oil and Gas do transfer for the children, and exhibit 13P5, one telex from Ways Oil and Gas to American International School, Abuja. The witness come confirm say Yahaya Bello name no dey the fund transfer or the payment receipt, say na the children name dey right. After e don listen to all the submissions of counsel, the trial judge, Justice Emeka Winte, come adjourn the case go May 8 and May 9 to decide whether dem go accept the FCT High Court judgment or to continue the trial. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojisele reporting for TMC TV.